Ocala. We have 2 locations in Ocala.
Where feed.
Oops. I'll get into it in just a sec. Just checking out some other things. All right, let's check out. All right. All right, cool. So how's it going? Hello, Prawn. Hi, Juddy. No worries. I'm glad. Well, hopefully it's not one big disaster. At least you might enjoy some parts of the streams. I feel like some of them are just a big disaster, but when I try and do stuff on stream, it doesn't work out as well as when I'm not streaming, but it's still fun. Alright, so I want to fix some of these parser errors. There's actually not that many left, and a lot of them are just the same thing. There's really not that many. But this one here, I thought this was working, so let's have a look here. This is multiple assign statement. Well, like an assign statement, but it's multiple, assigning multiple variables in alright, let's just have a look at the code. I thought that was implemented. Actually, what I'll do is also I will add it to the syntax test. So let's just do, well, was it? Oh, so this is, well, let's add this one. So, we'll add this. So let's add it at the bottom here. Okay, so So let's have a look at the for statement. So we should get sign, where is it? Simple statement. Okay. So, okay, let's have a look at this code here. The initializer should support an assign statement because, let's just have a look at that. Complete. If we have an assign statement, okay, that supports multiple. So what's going on here? It should work, but it doesn't work. Expecting in, okay, that's weird. So the reason is, okay, so that is why. We need to do some, looks like I didn't think of something here, so that's a boo-boo. I'm gonna have to fix this. Thanks, Juddy. Yeah, that's how it is sometimes. Sometimes things seem simple. Sometimes simple things take ages. I don't know. Sometimes hard things are easy to do. Simple things just take ages. All right. So we have here token is comma. So what I need to do is okay. So what I can do is I can. Oh, hang on. I might need to modify some of this code. Let's have a look. So the first expression, what we'll do is let's do this. Alright, so what we'll do actually, let's do. Okay, so now let's do if let's just check something. Alright, let's see. Might have to change this code actually. Well, actually, I don't even need that. I might be able to just So in this case, let's see, we've got the expression, which will be the key, this will be the value. But in the case it doesn't, because I don't want to peek ahead, I want to like see what we have and then use it. So here we've already got these, we've already advanced the parser up to like the commas, or past the commas basically. Well, up to here, we've advanced up to here. But what if it's not an int? Okay, so we need to be able to handle like this assignment, which is what this does, but at the moment it only takes a single expression. Like, so I could modify this to take, let's have a look where that's used. I think it's only used once. It's just really for, it's just really for efficiency, I think. So could do, well, I might not even need to do that actually, because if, hang on, let's have a look. Well, I could just do, well, this is, oops. Let's just do, let's just use, so, well, let's fix this, so if we have comma, it will be here. Now let's just see what happens here. It should be singular. All right, so that passed our syntax test. Let's just have a look at what it generated. Let's make a new window. All right, so, well, that's not good. We've messed a few things up here. So AB is working. Okay, let's have a look at the So, actually, let's load it in here so we can see what's going on properly. Okay. So, that looks good. This one, okay, I see what's going on. So it's mostly right, except because we have value, this thinks there's a value. Okay, yeah, it's looking pretty good. Should be an easy fix from here, I think. This is, oh yeah, and also you'll notice that, see this this for style loop with, which only has the condition part, no, not the initializer or the post part. You see that becomes a for x is less than 100, it becomes a v style loop. That's just a little interesting point. It doesn't stay a C style loop, it just becomes a V style loop because all it has is the condition part, so you can change it to that style. I'm not sure if V format already does that, but that's just a little interesting bit of information. So all right, let's fix this thing. I know exactly what's going on here. So and this bit of code here, I'll show you something. This where is it? I've just lost it. So this code here handles every for loop in the language. So every different style of for loop is handled just here. So what I can do is I can actually make let's do value equals, oh, let's just let's call this value, and let's call this value expression. Okay, now what we will do, right, empty. Let's see what was stuffed up again. So we've got these extra, we've got the value, we've got the other variable we shouldn't have for some reason, so. That's strange. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. So that should be easy. Instead of just thinking the best way to do it. So basically what I can do is actually I would just make, well, actually I can do this down here only where it's needed. So what I'll do is I'll do, yeah, let's change this a bit. Actually, let's do, I'll only do that when needed here. Okay. Let's do, actually I can do equals expressions equals and we'll also do if value and we will append the value to expressions, and we will use this Okay, so we can do. All right. I think that should work. What have I done? Value expressions undefined. It's value. Yeah, it can be value. All right. Let's have a look at that. All right. That looks pretty good, I think. So we got all right, that's good. Let's bring it side by side so we can do a better comparison. All right. So where are we? Oh. So for val in array, all right, don't worry about that. That's just inserted by the vgen backend. So that's good. Now you see this one. This is inserted by the vgen backend as well, just for debugging. It was just for my it was just for me when I was testing code. That shouldn't be there. But you see that here, 0 to 10 becomes range expression. So we got for val a in range expression. Okay. This one looks good. This one, okay. This one looks good there. This one looks good. Another range expression. This one, what's this? Okay, this looks good, except it's just inlined. Looks good. That looks good. Yep, that's good. Yeah, everything looks good here. This becomes, this is what I was talking about before, and this is working now. Okay, let's see if we're passing the compiler still. Oh, we are, okay. Oh, beautiful. So is this the last part of what? Sorry? Oh, well, it's just, I mean, there's going to be lots more parts, but the title is all the same. So maybe I'm not working on the same thing constantly. The title is just the same. There's lots of stuff to work on. No, it's not the final part. For sure, it's not the final part. Okay, so that's working. Let's just have a look at this and see if it can be optimized in any way. So, so we might be able to do small optimization here, I think. We might be able to do, or this might optimize a little bit if we move this here and then we put an else here. So you should yeah, that should stop it from entering this branch. I think that will still work. Let's have a look. But then the comments need to be fixed a bit. Anyway, well, I'll just see if it even works. Okay. That looks like it's still working. Looks all good. Yeah, everything looks good. Oh, there's one kick viewer. Welcome to the one kick viewer. And we have 15 viewers on Twitch. Nice. Alright, so this looks good. Let's just update some of these comments. So we got we will say X, Y, oh, let's do A. Oh, well, that says X, Y rails. X, Y in Z or A or X, Y equals 1 for 2 let's just say and then this is well, this is just the in part. I'll just leave these empty. What's going on here? So I might be able to. What's going on here? Hang on. Yeah, because this is. Yeah, don't worry about that. That's because the way that's because of the way infix expression is passed. Yeah, oh, it looks all good. I just want to try one with mutable. Have I got that? Let's try. Oh, where is it? So I've got that. Let's try. Let's try that. Okay, that works. That works, and let's just try this. That's. Oh, hang on. That's there. Oh, that works. All right, that's all good. We'll leave that there. I don't like 5. Let's make it 4. All right. Let's just push this. Make sure that all right. Actually, I'll use. I'm just thinking if this is, yeah, this will work in every case. Yeah, that's all good. I'll just call this what we'll do is, let me just change this a little bit to express to plus. Oops. What did I do here? How is that even working? Well, it's all good. Ah. All right. Let's actually let's remove this. Just make sure everything's passing. Yep. Top bar was passing. Generics passing. And the main compiler passing. Okay. So let's do fix. Actually, fix for fix fix multi assign in force statement init. Okay. Be back in just a sec. Okay. Let's rerun this and see. Actually, I got to rebuild the binary. See what tests are failing now. Did I not output that? What did I do? Oh, this is... What? Oh, one.text. Okay. So... Sure, I fixed that. What? I thought I fixed this. Or did I not fix this? So this is... Let's have a look. This is here. Key value. Oops. Oops. That's weird. Oh, I pasted the wrong thing. Okay. So we got yield in it. Hang on a minute. Built-in function. Okay. So this is... That's strange. Ah, I know what's going on. Wow. Why would this be passed as the left-hand side? That is very strange. So this is passing this as a selector, but for some reason, let's have a look. There must be some weird stuff going on. Not there. There, not there. That is weird. So let us okay, that's right. But then that's right. That's exactly how it should be. But then this, there's no selector here. Oh, I see what's going on. Okay, I get it. It's past this and then this as a selector. So I understand what's going on. That is a pain. So it's past this as the left-hand side of the selector and this dot shrintable as the right-hand side of the selector. So there's a couple of ways we can fix that. So, well, yes. What we'll do is we'll do it like the same way. So the same way that, like for example, the Go parser handles things like this is it always says, well, if your dot is here, then you like there, then you're doing it. I mean, it's just the only way to really tell properly. Otherwise, what do you do? For that, that's how we're going to do it currently. So what we'll do is, let's go to, let's go to selector. And let's see, and p dot line equals line. And let's see if that fixes or breaks anything else. It should fix this problem. Equals. Okay, so that's fixed this problem. Let's have a look at the code. All right. Well, we can fix this mapping it how it prints. Let's fix that. Well, yeah, let's fix that. Let's have a look at that. Actually, let's make sure we didn't break the break this, and we did. That's great. That's right. I remember this now. I remember this. This happened here. We had this. We had a test for this here. That's right. Because really, yeah. Well, no, that's easy to fix. It looks like here, the line never got updated, so that's easily fixable actually. I will. Let's have a look. Let's just see. Where's line updated last? It's up here. All right, that's why. So probably should have updated it. Let's just see if we update it here, if it fixes it. Oh, it's broken something else. This. So I mean, I know how to fix it. I'm just thinking the best way to fix it. Like the nicest way to fix it. It's not hard to fix. I just need to, like, for example, if I update it, see, because the line has fallen from here. It's moved from here to here. And it's checking the line here. So what I could do is, like, if we're in a string, then allow that or something. Or, no, that's not a nice way to do it. It's after a call, what we'll do is, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to call, expression. So after here, call or cast, well, we will update the line. Okay, so let's say here, we update the line for chaining. So let's say update line for expression in chaining. And let's say line p.line. I think that should fix it. There's not very many cases where stuff like that happens. Yeah. Let's have a look. Well, let's see if it still passes. Hmm. Huh? That's weird. Hmm? What is this? Oh. Oh, okay, so he's updated it after that. Okay. Yeah, that's a problem. Well, it's not even a dot, so instead of doing that, updated it in the wrong spot. Where is it? Hang on. Where is it? Here. Okay, that's a similar thing. Um, yeah, this is annoying. Hmm. Um, so that should be here. Where is it? Huh. That's weird. So we moved past. I see what's going on. That's a bit annoying. So, yeah, we actually. We actually want the position of the last this last race. Not, it's moved past it and ended up here. Might be a better way to do it. Let's see. There's other ways to do that too. I mean, you could do something like and then remove this from here. Hang on. And remove this. Where is it? Remove this from here. Make sure this passes. Yeah, so that's one way to do it, but I don't really like that. Let me think about it. Otherwise, you could set like a. You could set a field on the parser and say if you're passing we could say you're expecting a dot. See here, there's not a selector. Well, no, that's not true because this could be something else. We're just choosing not to chain when it's on a new line for this struct inits. That's all I've done. So yeah, if that makes sense. But I'm going to put a note there about this. And I'm going to say to do think about best way to handle this. And let's just put a little note about what's going on. Put an example. Struct init Okay. Let's see what else we got. I gotta get rid of that print from there. Where is it? That's better. Okay. Now let's see if we've dropped many. It looks like we've got more lines now. Am I tripping or what? Looks like we've got more errors. I might have broken something. Let me just see something. Let me undo what I just did. And see if we have less errors. Because I might have broken something. So we had 1231. Yeah, slightly less, but nothing major. Nothing major for now. Let's just see. Let's just do a diff. So well, that's annoying. The whole order's different and everything, so that's not really useful. Anyway, let's just go through a few errors at a time. That diff was not useful at all. Okay. Okay, what have we got going on here? So first, invalid file level attribute. Okay. So what we could do is can just say heap manual free has globals. Actually, let's put it has globals at the start. Or heap. I'm gonna have to change the way that this works actually, because that's a struct. Yeah, it doesn't have a module. Alright, I'll make a note here. I actually changed this not long ago and now I've broken something, but anyway. When no module and okay. So I should get rid of a couple of these, like oh, that one generated. I should add that too. Heap doesn't belong there. That's what I was talking about before. That's got to be fixed. Before it was passed as a normal top statement. I did move it for here for just to pass the very first attribute if it was a file level attribute, but obviously that doesn't really work because in the case of no module and a struct declaration with a attribute as the very first statement in the file and causes an error. So we'll come up with a solution for that. Probably just put it back how it was. Let's see. Okay. Alright, so we're down to 1100 now, which is good. How's it going? Yago? Be right back. Sorry about that. Okay. Let's see, where were we? Let's have a look at this. Okay, this is, well, something to do with, this should be, let's have a look at the scanner. So this is, it says there's a comment here. So, okay, well, there it is. Binary does not support underscores. So, we have it here. I mean, we need to do it properly, but look, we could just do. But now we could just do let's do. I mean, yeah, well, let's just see if this even works for starters. Where's the other C2? Oh. Um. Alright, let's see what it actually passed like. Yeah. Alright, it's passed like that now. Right, now we've got this note here, proper underscore support, okay? So we know we're gonna do it properly, but for now, let's just say, okay, that's we're gonna come back and do that. Alright, let's have a look now. Let's regenerate our file. So we had 1134 lines. Let's reload. Okay, 1127. So, and a lot of these things are duplicates, like I said. So we should be able to knock these out pretty quickly. Well, besides the ASM, not besides that, I just have to implement that. Okay, this is a lot of them. Well, certainly, yeah, that's... We're not going to worry about that for now. Because assert is a keyword, that's the reason for that. Another one of these. That's another JS thing. So let's filter out the JS stuff for now and see how many errors we get. So what we can do is FD exclude. Alright, so what I could do is I can exclude okay, I'll exclude the js.v files. Okay. Now we got 900. Okay, so let's have a look. Alright, so this is not implemented for our enum. Okay, we can do that. That's alright. We should put that in our test. Okay. Okay. Let's do enum be as whatever to u16. Okay, let's just do okay. Okay, let's go to parser. Enum declaration after name here. We can do okay. So then we got the as, and what we will do is let's just say we can say basically how am I going to represent these types? Well, we would just do as an identifier, which will become the type. So we will do type, which the as type, and the standard will be integer. So we will do p.expect type. We'll do next to skip past the as p.expect type. Else we will do ast ident, and we will do, let's just put the position as p.pos, and the name, let's make it int. Okay, so by default it's just little int, and otherwise it will be whatever is here. And in these identifiers, they get converted to types in the type check automatically, so it's fine to make this an identifier. And these are just basic integer types, no types of arrays or anything like that, so we can always use an identifier here. So we will add a thing here. Let's put as type or something, or maybe I should, yeah, as type. Just call it that. Okay. And yeah, looks good. Let's put a little space here. All right, let's just Where did this extra thing come from? Oh. Okay. Now let's go to gen.v. Actually, let's go to the AST first. Okay. And this can. It's an ident. Okay, so here what we'll do is actually one thing. Well, there's a couple ways you can do it. I could make it an expression as an empty expression, or I could say something like if as type.name doesn't equal int, or I could just make it as an expression, empty expression, which I might do. Let's make as type expression equals empty expression. Okay. Yeah. And let's do parser type otherwise. Expression. Okay, then we'll do g.write. Okay, g.expression statement. Okay. Yeah, I think that looks good. Now we need a space here. All right, let's try that. Oh, my mistake. Hang on. Okay. So there we go. enum be as u16. Okay. And then the type checker, all we got to do is in the type checker, I'll show you something. All we'd have to do basically is go to enum declaration. Okay. And then what we could do is basically where's the we could do something like this type equals declaration dot as empty expression, then we'll do c dot expression declaration dot as type. In this case, we'll do else int type. So this will be else this will be type integer. And this will resolve to a type of U16 in this case, or in the case that we had before. I'm not going to do any more on this now. I'll even comment that out, but that's just how it will work. Very simple. Okay, so what was that original file we had a problem with? It was this one, enum test. Let's just verify that works, which it will. Yep, okay. Now we will so what have we changed? Okay. Check out using types. Okay. We have done so we've temp score fix, we've done temporary temporary init, and fix, and enum as okay. Oops. All right. Let's see how many lines we had here. We had 994. Okay, let's redo this. Mind you, we're going to skip the JSW files for now. So what did we have? 994. Okay. Okay, now we've got 935. Good. And this is strange. That should just work. Now let's check that. Let's do this offset of. Maybe it's not in the parser. Huh. Okay, well that's an easy fix. So what we're going to do is go to keyword operator. Okay, and we're going to just add offset off here. Okay, we can add it here. No, yeah. We can add it here. This is, well, let's check something. Okay, so we only have one expression, so we could add we're going to make these multiple expressions. These are used, let's see. I mean, we can even use a call and just make the left-hand side a keyword operator. That's one thing I was considering. But some cases where, let's think. So if I make these expressions like this, or I could just pass them as let's just have a look at this for now. So we could do, okay, and this could be p.expression. Well, we need come on. I mean, we could just, well, these cases have only got one. Anyway. I mean, well, sorry, in this case, it's only got one anyway. And here we could just use keyword expression list. I guess you could just do list. This could be comma. Okay. Obviously didn't save this. There's no field expression. It does. Oh no, gen. Huh? It's right there. What is going on? It's right here. Yes. Oh wait, I can't save it. I gotta reload it. Well, I could have saved it, forced, but. And let's check the save. Actually, did Jen save? Yes. So this is expressions. Checker. Okay. Well, let's just do O for now. Mm, 14. Ah. I'm an idiot. Shouldn't have done that. Okay. So let's try this now. It should work. Ah. I did not add offset of. Well, I deleted it. I might replace all of these with just one left-hand side keyword operator, right-hand side call type thing. So I will fix that. It's possibly I might do it like that. There'd be a lot less code. I can just do expression equals header expression lowest comma. This will be expression. Okay. Okay, looks good. That's good. Okay. Oh. Oh, I just saw all these I just saw all these I just saw the chat. I wasn't looking at the chat before, sorry. You can to answer your question about spawning a terminal inside the Helix editor, you can run a command in there at the moment. So I could do this. I'll show you. Like, let's grab this. Okay, I can do like run. I think it's just run shell command. No. Yeah, and then you can get the response here. You can't have a full-blown terminal currently, but you can do that. They're working on a plugin system and stuff like that. Look, I think it's quite good at the moment. And I'm not using Tmux. It's called Zellage. Oh yeah, I can do this. I can do this too. Look, sorry. Wait a minute. I can do this. These floating panes as well. So yeah. Except, where's my terminal? Right? This is it's got no terminal in it. Oh, that's weird. Never seen that happen before. Anyway. Alright, so what are we doing? Okay, so I've messed this up while I was trying to do that, looks like. Okay. Alright, so okay, let's add a node here. Should all these be replaced with left-hand side? Let's say with left-hand side keyword. Should these be replaced with something? Okay. Okay, so let's. So at 9:35 at the moment. Let's rerun. And 9:07. So yeah, we're losing about 30 lines at a time. So yeah. A lot of these are duplicates though, remember, like this is the same as this, which is the same as this, unknown top statement, unknown top statement, unknown top statement. That's to do with either script mode, well, mostly that is what it is. This is another thing, invalid file attribute, which we can easily fix. Okay, we can add translated here. We can probably, don't even need these checks. We can just ignore them and do them later or something. But, well, we'll just add it anyway. Okay, this is inline struct support. As anonymous struct support, sorry. I have not added that. I need to add that. That's very easy to do. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump off the stream for a bit because I got to do a few things. I got to do a few things off stream quickly. I'm going to be a little while, so I might either start the stream back up again later or tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna be away for about half an hour, so I'll thanks everyone who joined in. We'll continue on this journey next time. Hopefully it's somewhat educational or somewhat enjoyable. I try and make the streams more enjoyable and hopefully not boring. But thanks everyone who's been watching. I appreciate everyone joining in. Hope to see you in the next one. See you guys.